Assalamu alaikum, my lovely people. Hope your day is going on well. Welcome to IWHAT Eating Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to be making this delicious fish together, served with rice and beans. So let's begin. Bismillah. I'm using 5 kg of fish in total in this recipe. I normally clean my fish with lemon or lime, depending on the one that I can find, and with a lot of salt. I've already uploaded a detailed video on how the fish has been cleaned, so please kindly check it out. Next is to cut your fish into desired shape and sizes. You can either have this cut for you at the market, or you can bring it home and have good fight with it. Depend on your preferences, but for me, I'm not going to do this next time. I'll have it cut at the market, inshallah. Anyway, after the battle has been won, next is to season the fish. Ginger, canja season, white pepper, fish season, and mixed season that I made for myself, like soya pepper. Next is for you to combine the season and spice. You don't have to use this particular season and spice. You can choose any season of your choice. Whatever your choice of season and spice is, make sure you mix it together first before adding it to the fish. Once you add it to the fish, make sure you apply it to every corner, especially the inner bit of the fish. Once that is done, get your oven tray ready. Spray a little bit of oil on it and gently arrange the fish in it. Once that is done, spray a little bit of oil on it. Cover it with foil paper and put it in the fridge overnight. You can skip this step if you have the energy to cook the fish the same day, but leaving the fish overnight will enable the season to enter every corner of the fish. Anyway, put the fish in the oven or air fryer. You can also fry it if that is your choice. While that is going on, start prepping for the sauce. I'm going to be using about 100 grams of ginger, as you can see, like 3 medium size, and 2 small size of garlic bulb. You don't have to remove the whole skin of the garlic, and the same thing applies to the ginger. All you need is to give them a good clean, then add it to a chopper or blender. You can also use food processor if you have one. I also had 3 medium size of onions. You can also unchop this if you have the energy and time. As for me, I'm using the food processor that I got from Temu. This fast and effective. After I got the consistency that I wanted, I put it aside while I get my pot ready. The pan has been cleaned and it has been on the cooker for like few minutes. So I'm adding 600 ml of sunflower oil. By now, the fish has been in the oven for 30 minutes and it's time to bring it out and reduce the stock. Then put it back in the oven. The oil is hot enough for the ginger, garlic and onion to be hard to eat. While that is cooking, I simultaneously prepare the rice and peas. I'm using Morrison kidney beans and easy cook rice. These two combination is must try for all rice and peas lovers. I will try and create a separate video on how this was made. Anyway, add a little bit of oil, salt and boil water and mix well. You can also add another season. For me, I had 1 teaspoon of chicken jumbo. Then I cover it and put to boil. By now, the ginger, garlic and onion has been frying for a few minutes, so I need to mix it well and make sure that it's not burning. After that has been done, I'm adding already blend 2 liters of pepper. These are minced bell pepper that has been previously blended and prepped to make cooking easier for me. After mixing well, I add 1 teaspoon of curry powder and 1 tablespoon of minced herb. Mix well. Then I add 1 tablespoon of additional ginger powder to this. Follow it by 1 teaspoon of fish jumbo. powder. Continue mixing. After like 30 minutes, I add boiled egg. You know me, I can't make rice sauce without adding boiled egg. It's time to bring the fish out from the oven. It has already spent another 30 minutes in the oven, so I'm going to turn it around. After the turning and the toasting, next is to put the fish back in the oven and let it continue grilling while the sauce is cooking. After the fish has spent about 20 minutes in the oven. Oh, this fish, I don't know what happened. It's just too heavy. That fish head looks. Is it nice? I can't. That was good. I want to taste. But it's sweet. Gently add the fish to the sauce. Once you are done, cover it and let it simmer for like 5 minutes. After like 10 minutes, gently mix the sauce and be sure that the fish is not burning. Alhamdulillah, ala kulli ni'mat, the sauce is ready and it smells and tastes delicious. And it is time to serve and enjoy. Jazakumullah khairan for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. With this, we leave you in the care of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Stay blessed and safe with lot of love, IWHAT, and don't forget to keep smiling.